I lead it. Yeah, now you can start.
Hello dear brothers and sisters, welcome to Skill Up Academy. Skill Up Academy is a platform where people can speak English accurately, fairly, without any doubt. Because in this world we know that English is a paramount important language in the world. If one speaks English, we can't have any doubt. We can't speak at ease, if I would say that. You can't speak at ease. Indeed, I'm going to give you some, you had the features, some characteristics, the 10 characteristics of English, the importance of English language, learning English. Because English is better than, if I say, many of language in the world. As a matter of fact, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Salih Fati. I am your instructor, namely I would say that your teacher, but for understanding English language. If you say English language, but if you focus on the important English language. First of all, if you say that English is the most commonly spoken language in the world, one out of 5 people can speak or at least understand English. This is what English is the most spoken language in the world. If we speak English, you don't have any doubt. English is the most important language in the world, because you know we say that every people want to speak English, because English is not anyone's mother tongue. It is an international language in the world. It's international language. It's not anyone language. Today I'm going to teach you why English is very important. This focus on. Indeed, I told you the first is English is the most important, is the most commonly spoken language in the world. 1 out of 5 people speak English or at least understand. Yes, this is good. I'm totally agree with that. Just because 1 out of 5 speak English. Within our society or family, if you are members, the family members, if you are 5 members, at least 2 or 3 people can speak English accurately, because it is not their mother tongue. This is the first aspect of English language. The second one, English is the language of science, of aviation, computers, diplomacy, and tourism. Knowing English increase your chance of getting a good job in a multinational company within your home country, or finding work abroad. Yes, of course. Yes, what? If you speak English, you know that English is the language of science, because English developed so many scientists, so many doctors, so many engineers. Also, we have pilots. Also, you see so many in the case of aviation, so many even pilots, the pilots that speak English accurately. Diplomacy also. If you want to represent your country, if as a Somalian people, one Somali people is a Somali embassy in the United Kingdom or UK, America, very that, because why your president choose you to become you represent your country? Because you speak English. You have got to speak it. You represent your country there. That's why the importance of English. English is a multilingual language. Yes, if you speak it, because no one can understand you within our society, within the speech community. This says that English is like a language of diplomacy. It's a language of tourism, because we know that in all the world, tourism is a vital important role domain in our society. We see so many tourists travel all over the world, any country in the world, because they want to go to make cooperation between peoples. The third one is what? Let me give you third one. English is the official language of at least 53 countries. English or more. That is a lot of people to meet and speak to. Yes, English is the official language of more than 53 countries. Because English is spoken in so many countries. If you say for instance, United States, UK, Japan, Australia, Canada, all this, China, Australia, so many people. English is spoken in so many countries. That is English is official. It is official of those countries. It is official language of those countries. Apart from those countries, if you take the example of Africa, English is spoken in many African countries. Namely, if you say Nigeria, Cameroon, Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Ethiopia also. English is spoken there. If you say how you are spoken. If also you say using the Somali people, yes, we know some people that speak English, better English. They speak English accurately. Somali also, me, I advise Somali people to don't be afraid to speak English. English is a very important language. Speak it, bro. I advise you to speak English because Somali people are very intelligent, are very skilled, they are very skilled, they are very well known English. That's why people don't be afraid to speak English. This is my piece of advice to Somali people by saying that speak English. Somalia is a very good country. One day, one never know, maybe Somalia English can become the second language of Somali in Somali country. One day it's possible. Why? Of course. That's why you have to make be at your ease to speak English. This important in international language. The first one is what? English is spoken as a first language by around, they say 400 billion people around the world. You may say that 10 billion people, because English language is spoken in 10 million people around the world. Even the child, old men, young men, ladies, boys, all speak English. All they speak English. This is the importance of English language. So, bro, you have to speak English. Don't be afraid. The fifth one is English is the language of the media industry. Media industry. If you speak English, you won't need to rely on translation. Yes, very good. And subtitle anymore. Good. To enjoy your favorite books, songs, films, and TV shows. Very good. Why say that? They say English is a media industry. Yes, because we say that in the case of media industry like TV, radio, communication, or internet, we say that English is our main focus on. If I want to speak now, if I want to speak my friend Abdul Samad, now who is now in Chennai, me in Annamalai. If I want to communicate with him, because we have to speak English. I mean, you have to speak English, or by phones, or by media, by video recording, or TV video. This is just as the process of, you see, we can call the process of communication. Process of communication is what, how to achieve to make your English better. On the translation also. Let's take the example of translation. Because now, if you speak English, no one can translate your English. Never know. The main focus. This is translation. Translation is a basic thing of English language. Translation. This is also one of the patterns of communication. Communication is what? It's a way of conveying information between two or more people. This is communication anymore. Also, if you speak English, you enjoy your favorite books, songs, and film and TV shows. Now, by saying we know that if you see also if you want also to improve also English, you see that some English countries people like BBC, you know that people they speak only English people they speak English. We have also RP and RP which is receive pronunciation. RP is the most important way of communicating English. It's called RP, means receive communication in TV. The sixth one is English is also the language of the internet. Many websites are written in English. Yes, very good. No one can deny that. We will be able to understand them and to make part in forum and discussion. English is also a language of internet. Yes, you say that internet like your Facebook, WhatsApp. People are using English. People are using English to communicate accurately, fairly, without any fear. Yes, bro, my friend from Somalia speak. I advise you to come to join the group Skill Up Academy to put together, to come and to bring people together. This is what we call get together. Get together is what to sit together to meet the interaction by exchanging ideas. Those are the importance of English language. The seventh one is what? English is based on a simple alphabet. Yes, it is fairly quick and easy to speak, to learn compared to other languages. Yes. Of course, English is easy to learn, bro. This is important. It is an easy way to speak English or to communicate English, because English is different from French, Spanish, Portuguese, something to name but the few. That's why English is easy to speak. It's a simple language. It's a specific way of communicating. So it is a specific way in which you convey your message. English is very fairly to speak it compared to other languages. 8. English is not only useful. It gives you a lot of satisfaction. Making progress feel great. You will enjoy learning English if you remember that every hour you spend gets you close to perfection. Yes, very good. English will make you progress. It will make you very important person. English will make you have a good environment with people. That's why it says that English is useful, bro. It's a satisfactory tool. Remember that if you speak English, even at one single word, Now people will make you now very important person, because you have to know that English is come closer, bring people together. This language, this international language. In the since the 9-1, since English is spoken in so many countries, there are thousands of schools around the world that offer program in English. If you speak English, there are lots of opportunities for you to find an appropriate school and course to suit your academic needs. Of course, indeed, I'm totally agree with this point. Listen, of course, one day people or government can build a school or English course school in Ethiopia or in Somalia. Of course, possible. In Mogadishu, it's possible. Why Somali people or children to speak English? Why government can bring Somali people want to speak very good, or in all over Africa they have an academic school in Somalia where people can go and learn English very good. Yes, that's why I advise my dear friend from Somalia, come together. This is the importance of English language. If you speak English, you find appropriate. You know that if you want to make one day, if you speak English, one day from the United Nations, you can work there in the United Nations headquarters. Work there. If possible, one day Somali people, Somali citizen can become one of the secretary of the UN Nations. It's possible one day Somali people, Somalistan to become the UK or United Nations president or secretary. It's possible. This is a matter of based on the communicating English. Google. This is what to find a job, the skill of job opportunities. In the first, last but not least, the final one, 10, because it is fun. English is fun, yes. By learning English, you will also learn how as the culture. How as the culture is very good. Few experiences will make you grow as a person more than learning the values. Added and way of life in culture that is different from yours. Of course, yes. Because this is what, if you learn English, by learning English, you will also learn other cultures. If I say me, I'm here from Anamai. I'm learning English now. I'm in India. I will know Indian cultures, and also I will know Somalian cultures. What is Somalian cultures? What is the culture in linguistics? We say culture, language, and society are interactive, are independent, are mingled with. Of course, Somali people. Why not? If you speak English, one day Somali people can make himself to American culture. Of course, yes, because you speak English language. This is the importance of English. This is the most important language in the world. So I advise you to come all to bring together, because how to say that in English, practice make perfect. All the practice make perfect. It's the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Now, my women from Somalia, Abu Samal from Somalia, now they are making themselves, or they are losing themselves in the service of Somalian people. Me also, I'm finding myself in the service of Somalian people. This is the importance of English. Dear brothers, I advise you, English is a very important language. If you speak it now, you can have so many opportunities in the world. This is the importance of English. Now, to conclude, I would also to advise you, bro, to join together to have a strong academic skill up, to build people together to come, to have many opportunities. This is a very important thing. Now we share with you, bro. Thank you very much, and have a lovely day.